Imagine you've just launched your business in the United States. You have everything set up: the name, the legal structure, and the vision for growth. But there's a problem. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, file taxes, and operate completely legally. Did you know that many people get stuck in this process due to a lack of information or mistakes in their application? In this video, I will explain step by step how you can obtain your EIN quickly, without errors, and hassle-free. Plus, if you're looking for an even faster and stress-free solution, I'll tell you how Maera can do it for you efficiently and professionally. If you're starting a business in the United States or planning to do so soon, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to receive more essential information about business, taxes, and entrepreneurial strategies. Now, let's get into it. The EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit tax identification number issued by the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service of the United States. It works similarly to a Social Security number, but is specifically designed to identify businesses and their tax operations. Having an EIN is not just a requirement, it also allows you to open a business bank account. Without an EIN, most banks won't let you open an account in your company's name, making it difficult to separate personal and business finances. File taxes correctly. Even if you don't have employees, many business entities need an EIN to file their tax returns. Hire employees in the United States. If you plan to expand your business and hire staff, you need an EIN to withhold taxes and comply with labor regulations. Apply for business credit lines or financing. Many financial institutions require an EIN to grant credit or funding to businesses. Therefore, if you want to operate a business professionally and without setbacks, obtaining an EIN is a fundamental step. How to get your EIN for free step by step. If you decide to do it yourself, the process to obtain an EIN is entirely free and can be done online through the IRS website. However, you must follow the steps carefully to avoid mistakes that could delay approval. Step 1. Access the IRS website. To start the process, go to the official IRS page, irs.gov, and look for the option Apply for an EIN online. It's important to note that this service is only available in English and during IRS business hours, Monday through Friday. Step 2. Choose the type of entity. The next step is selecting your business's legal structure. It could be an LLC, a corporation, a sole proprietorship, or a partnership. It's crucial to choose the correct category, as this affects how the company will pay taxes. Step 3. Enter your business information. Here, you will need to provide key details such as a legal name of the company, a physical address, a name and social security number of the responsible party. If you are a foreigner, you can use an EIN. Step 4. Confirm the information and submit the application. Before submitting, verify that all the data is correct. A small mistake can delay the process or cause your application to be rejected. Step 5. Receive your EIN instantly. If you complete the process correctly and within IRS business hours, you will receive your EIN immediately in digital format. Important note: if you are a foreigner and do not have an SSN or EIN, the process may be more complicated, and you may need to submit the application by fax or mail, which can take several weeks. Need your EIN faster and hassle-free? Getting an EIN may seem simple, but many people face delays due to application errors or difficulty understanding tax terms. Additionally, if you don't speak English or don't have an SSN, the process becomes even more complicated. If you want to ensure that your EIN is approved without issues and in the shortest time possible, Maera can do it for you quickly and hassle-free. Benefits of obtaining your EIN with Maera. White heavy checkmark, no errors or rejections. We handle the entire process to ensure your EIN is approved without issues. White heavy checkmark, faster processing. Avoid unnecessary delays or confusing processes. White heavy checkmark, support in Spanish. No need to worry about language barriers or technical terminology. White heavy checkmark, ideal for foreigners. If you don't have an SSN or EIN, we help you complete the process correctly. If you want to obtain your EIN smoothly and securely, click the link in the description and let Maera take care of everything for you. To summarize, the EIN is an essential number for any business in the United States. You can obtain it for free by following the steps on the IRS website, but if you prefer a faster, safer, and error-free solution, Maera is here to help. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content about business in the United States. Also, if you have questions about the EIN or any other aspect of business formation, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to check the description for more information about our fast EIN acquisition service with Maera. See you in the next video.